So many times, my participants who come for the live workshops, they ask a very common question: how to speak English correctly? And to speak English correctly, what is that important chapter in grammar that I should learn? ग्रामर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है अगर आप इंग्लिश को करेक्टली बोलना चाहते हो, लेकिन ग्रामर में तो बहुत कुछ है। ग्रामर में नाउन है, प्रोनाउन है, एडजेक्टिव, एडवर्ब, वर्ब, इंटरजेक्शन। ओ माय गॉड, तो मैं किस पे फोकस ज्यादा करूं अगर मुझे इंग्लिश correctly बोलना है? Hi guys, I'm Subhash Kartik. I help people to speak English easily. You are from English medium or any vernacular medium. If you feel that while speaking English, you feel lot of doubts that how to speak English correctly, please do watch this video. Guys, this is the video of how to speak English correctly part 2. If you have not seen part 1, you can see the link above. You can click and you can see the part 1 first and then come to part 2. The most important part of speech is verb. Verb is the hero of the sentence because no verb, no sentence. Yes verb, yes sentence. Right verb, right sentence. Wrong verb, wrong sentence. If you are master in verb, you are master in your English language. जी हाँ दोस्तों, अगर आप इंग्लिश में एकदम अव्वल आना चाहते हो, बोलने में, लिखने में, किसी भी चीज में, you have to be expert in grammar. Now my question to you is, are you expert in grammar? Especially, are you expert in verb? Verb में आपकी expertise है? चलो मैं पूछता हूँ आपको. Tell me the different forms of do. Do के कितने forms हैं? I know आपकी आंसर होगी सर 3. Do, did, done. Very good, very good. Okay, if I tell you go, go के कितने form है? आप बोलोगे yes sir, go के 3 form है. Go, went, gone. Wow, that's so good. But if I tell you that what you know is incomplete, जी हाँ दोस्तों, अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि जो आपको पता है वो इनकम्प्लीट है, तो कैसा लगेगा? मुझे नहीं लगता कि आप बहुत ज्यादा खुश होगे इस बात से. Whatever we have learned from our school, we are working on it, right? But is it enough? No. If you really want to speak English correctly, we have to know different forms of verb. And I will tell you the first verb, that is do. चलो do form के हम 7 forms निकालते हैं. एक verb के 7 different forms होते हैं. क्या आपको ये पता था? Did you know this? No, right? And I will tell you all 7 forms. So let's go for verb family. We are learning verb family and this is going to help you to speak English correct. The first family member is mother form. I told you. I think you should write down on your copy. The second form is present 1. Third form is present 2. Fourth form is past. Fifth form is present participle. Sixth form is past participle. And the seventh form is infinite form. Infinite form. Have you written down? These are the different verb forms. Imagine we knew only 3. That is go, went, gone, done. And that is the reason our English is not good, because we don't know the forms of verb. And I just told you, no verb, no sentence. Okay, so we have identified verb family has got 7 members. Now I will tell you one by one different verb forms and their 7 members. Let's go for the first verb, that is do. Do verb. In do verb, the mother is do. Now let's go for the present 1. Present 1 is do. Same. Present 2 does. Yes, does. जो कि हम लोग he, she के साथ लगाते हैं. Does. Present participle, mother form plus ing. Mother form do, ing, ing. Doing, past participle, done. Infinite form. Infinite form is equal to to. Preposition to plus mother form. So what is our preposition? To. To, to do, done. Guys, एक चीज मैं भूल गया था पीछे. जब आप do बना रहे थे, वहां पे मैंने did, जो past form है, sorry. Okay. So let's go for the next verb. Go. जाना, go. Okay, mother form go, present one go. अच्छा, mother form and present one both look same. दोनों एक ही देखने में है. Please understand, दोनों एक ही देखने में है, दोनों एक नहीं है. Both are not same. Okay, okay, let's go ahead. Go, go, goes. Went is past. Went is past. Present participle going. Go plus ing, going. Past participle gone, gone, gone. And then to go, infinite form to go. Do हो गया, go हो गया, done. Let's go for a very magical word. जब हम किसी से दोस्ती कर रहे हैं, whenever we do friendship with anybody, हम उसको कैसे propose करते हैं friendship के लिए? Hey, do you want to make friendship with me? Do you like to do friendship with me? अच्छा, do friendship. Why we are using do friendship? अरे भाई, हमको friendship का अगर verb पता हो, if I know the verb of friend, my job will be easy. So tell me, what is the verb form of friend? Okay, I'll tell you guys. The verb form of friend is befriend. Yes, befriend. ये एक ही word है, this is a one word. So it has 7 members. Mother form befriend, present 1 befriend, same present 2 befriends, s आ जाएगा वहाँ पे. Past form befriended, present participle befriending, past participle befriended, and infinite form to befriend. कैसा लगा? अच्छा, befriend अलग नहीं है. In this case, befriend is one verb. Befriend. Okay. Now let's go for one final verb. Suppose I'm giving water in the garden. So what I say? I'm giving water in my garden. But why I'm using the verb give? I can use water as a verb also. मैं water को verb में भी तो use कर सकता हूँ, right? Let's go ahead. Water, mother form. Present 1, water. Present 2, waters. Past, watered, ed. Present participle watering, past participle watered, ed, and infinite form to water. Okay, so are you enjoying this session? Please, if you really enjoy this session, please write in the comment section that yes, we are enjoying and it is really helping you, right? And yes, knowing verb counts. If you want to speak English correctly, it's the verb which saves us. Okay, let's do one thing. I really want to know how much are you enjoying and how much are you really understanding it. So I'm giving you a homework. Yes, I'm giving you a homework. I'm giving you two verbs, and you have to write all 7 forms of those 2 verbs in the comment section. I'm going to check each and every answer. Okay? The first verb which I'm giving it to you. What is the verb of success? What is the verb of success? The verb of success is succeed. Succeed. S-U-C-C-E-E-D. Succeed. Succeed is the mother form. I'm not going to tell you more. Please write down all the 7 forms in the comment section. Okay, the next verb I'm giving you. Speak. Bolna. Speak. S-P-E-A-K. Speak. Please write down these 2 verbs ka 7 verb forms in the comment section. Guys, teaching, giving training is my passion. I'm very sorry, I forgot to tell you that I was a banker. मैं एक banker था. And then I realized that I'm not a good banker. I should do something what I love to do. And then I found out that yes, this is something to teach people, to train people is my dream. This is something which I love. And then I started this. If you really like this video, if you really feel this video is helping you to become better and better, do subscribe this channel, do like this video, do support me my dear friends, because if you are there, then I am here. अगर आप चाहोगे तभी हम यहाँ पे रहेंगे. If you really like this session, please write down in the comment section. हमें भी जानने दो बॉस आप कितना enjoy कर रहे हो हमारा session. If you really want to help others to speak English correctly as well, बॉस अगर अच्छा लगे तभी सब्सक्राइब करना. यू नो इट्स नॉट मैंडेटरी. अगर दिल से दिल टच हुआ है, अगर मैं कनेक्ट कर पाया हूँ, देन ओनली यू फॉलो मी. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बाय बाय. टेक केयर.